I'm Uncle Al, and I'm here to tell you what you didn't learn in school, what you may not have gotten from your folks, and I'm very sure your dentist does know this one. Hey, create your own replacement. Create your own replacement? Uncle Al, what do you mean? Creating your own replacement happens in a couple of areas of life. One is you should procreate. That's the way the system works. If you look in the history of man, there have been what's called a population collapse. It's not a good thing. There have been there have been times when there's been too many people, but that's historically been far less of a problem than too few people. Another time you need to create your own replacement is in your work environment. And this may seem a little counterintuitive. You need to create your own replacement because you may need help. You will get old. You will get tired. You will decide, I don't want to do that crap no more. And if you don't train someone below you, then you don't have someone to take that space. Now, let me just be honest with you. If you think you're going to be young and spry to do some of these jobs that you need to be young and spry for the rest of your life, you are wrong. Your body will betray you sooner or later. If you have your own replacement, then you can bring those people up. They can be your help in the workforce. If you've mentored 3 or 4 people, you might make a good boss. And if you're in a situation where mentoring your replacement means your replacement, maybe it's time for you to move on. The third thing that you need to make your own replacement is we need to make our own replacements in a sense of society. We've gotten a little bit lost in the Western world, and this is just a Western world problem at the current time. We've decided that we have to be so good, so perfect, so everything that we've forgotten about humanity and just the perils of being on a planet. Too many people are letting perfection get in the way of the good. We need to teach people now. Many of them younger folks, but there's some stray older ones too. I love that you're looking for perfection, but you need to come back to the rest of us and live in reality. And we need to create more of those people to replace us, because that creates a stable society. Now, tax rate up or down, do this, do that. We've decided we're going to educate on math 80% of the time and no English. Those are the normal ebbs and flows. But I'm talking about we want to be good people who don't commit crime, who follow the law most of the darn time unless we're protesting our government in a peaceful way. And by doing that and creating a society where we all get along and you create your replacement, you will create stability. Because if I create my replacement in society, there's stability. If I create replacement in my family, there's stability. And if I create replacements in my workforce, there's stability in the business that's paying me. Create your own replacement. You and society will be way better for it. Hey, I'm Uncle Al from the Markus of Americus Project, where we're trying to put politics back into a lane it belongs. And please, it needs to be in a lane. We do some other stuff there at Marcus. This 8 questions one for the political year is a very good thing. You need to look at that. Plus, I do more of these Uncle Al videos where I try to spread more of my Uncle Al wisdom. But until the next time we see you, bye.